So this question starts off by providing us with this equation, y equals 70x plus 8. It goes on to say which table gives three values of x and their corresponding values of y for the given equation. So technically this is a diagram question. And I say that because there are some visual input that's provided to us. Anytime I see some visual input, I think diagram. Even though these tables are in the answer choices and not the question itself, it does mean that all of our attention is going towards the table, right? I need to make sure I understand what does it mean to have a 0 in this column and an 8 in this column. Well, what it means is that when x equals 0, y is equal to 8. Now, that's something that I can actually test out because I know that I have this equation here, y equals 70x plus 8, to actually test out these answers, right? So is it true that when x is equal to 0, right? If I made this let's use a different color. If I made this a 0, 70 times 0 is 0, and 0 plus 8 is in fact 8. So this is true. Now, that doesn't mean that this is the right answer, but it does mean that if I look at choice B, where it says that when x is 0, y is 70, that must be incorrect. And for choice C, where it also says where x is 0, y is 70, that must also be correct. And notice that choice D also has this point 0, 8. So now we're going to move on to the next row because we see that the second row for choice A and the second row for choice D are different. So if I can figure out, well, what's going on when x is equal to 2, that'll help me find the answer to this question. So I'm going to rewrite the equation, y equals 70x plus 8. I'm going to substitute x with 2 by making this y equals 70 times 2 plus 8. 70 times 2 is 140, and 140 plus 8 is 148. Therefore, choice A must be the correct answer because it's the only answer choice that says that when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 148.